Hello everyone. Welcome to this prototyping tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn how to prototype a language selector dropdown using MockFlow's prototyping feature. We'll begin by adding a rectangle to the design. Then start adding the languages, create the first one, duplicate it for the others, and change each flag using MockFlow's icon library. Customize the layout to match your design style. Next, we'll use MockFlow's layer panel to organize everything. Rename the component to Language Selector. Then select the drop-down component, open Manage Interactions, and choose mouse click as the trigger. Set Show Component as the action, apply the rolling down effect, and adjust the transition timing. Now, click on the design area and set the page as the primary container so the drop-down appears only when triggered. Then click View to preview the prototype. When you select the language drop-down, the full language selector menu will smoothly appear. And that's it. We've successfully created a language selector dropdown using MockFlow's prototyping feature in under 2 minutes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more prototyping tutorials.